Now, we're going to talk about an AMM, the automated market maker, which I talked about earlier. That's what DEXs use to do this. It's smart contracts. It's the liquidity pools. There's multiple different kinds, but the very basic one out there is called just an AMM. Okay. And this is like a drawing of what that looks like. You've got the liquidity pool, 2 tokens. Liquidity providers provide those tokens. The users, they swap and they pay a fee for that, and the liquidity provider gets that fee. It's using something called the constant product, or X times Y equals K. It's maintaining a constant balance of these. That doesn't mean that there's 50-50 of the 2 tokens in the pool. It just means that whenever X is traded for Y, the quantity of both in the pool changes and the price adjusts to be able to maintain the constant in that. And this is not concentrated liquidity. So you also have something called a CLMM, or in Meteora's case, the DLMM. Concentrated liquidity uses far more complicated formulas to maintain the balance, and it's all within the individual bins or price points. It uses these specific price ranges to focus liquidity, and that just means it's more capital efficient, and the liquidity provider can earn more money off of these fees. And so swaps happen within these individual bins or ticks, if you will, price ticks. And when all of one token is swapped to the other, that's whenever the pool price can change to the next point. Now, so here's one of the things that's important to look. We're going to look at this, and this is just a very basic liquidity pool. The blue is, or teal is SOL, and the purple is the MET token. It's defined within a very specific price range here, a minimum price and a maximum price. And so here is this bin is a specific price point. When swaps happen and all of one token is exchanged for the other, then the price can move to the next bin, and it can go either direction. But here's something that can happen to you if all of one token is exchanged for the other, and that means the price moves below your range, then you are left with only that one token. So in this particular example, I was in a USDC and a MET pool. The price of MET went down to 0.4823. Now all of my USDC is converted into MET. Okay. So I'm not trading in the traditional sense, but if I was to withdraw my liquidity at this point, all I would have is MET. And it doesn't matter how much USDC that I put in or anything like that, it's exchanged. Conversely, if the price goes all the way up, I no longer have any more MET. I have all USDC. So that's like how that works.